Hey folks, next bird going up in the air is this one right here. This thing is just a doll to fly. It's the FMS Cessna 182 1.5 meter. Just an absolute doll in the air. Very stable, very mild-mannered, no bad habits, slow flying. Can still do aerobatics. It's pretty scale. Supposed to be like a scale replica, but I don't remember any of them being red. But I like the red over the blue. So let's get her plugged up in here. See, it's got a full canopy with yokes if you've never seen this plane. Flying on a 4S 3300 centered in the straps. Flying on an AR 631 Plus in this plane. So let's get her up in the air. Timer set for 5 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it can fly longer than that. Get her on right, left, elevator up, down, rudder left, right, nose wheel steers,
throttle cut off,
throttle,
takeoff flaps, landing flaps,
flaps work.
takeoff flaps.
And it has Fowler type flaps. They're pretty effective. They work really, really well. This thing will just float in and touch down. A little dusty, looks like, getting in the sun, but we are in the desert. Alright, you can see them navigation lights, the beacons. There's one on the tip of the tail too, as well as a light underneath the spinner. But let's get her up in the air.
Flaps up.
This plane really doesn't need a gyro. That's hands-off flight right there. Very stable. It's big, 1.5 meter.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
See if we can get a full throttle pass by us here. There's full throttle.
Takeoff flaps.
Then we'll slow it down.
Landing flaps.
See just how
Flaps up.
slow this thing will fly and stay in the air. And there's no wind right now. If you had a headwind, that thing would just putt along.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Still capable. It'll do all the basic stuff.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Lights really show up on this bird, even in the broad daylight. It's a good plane. It'll fly on a wide range of batteries. I think you can go up to a 5,000 will fit in there. But I just fly on 3300s. It gives me 5 minutes of flight and then some extra.
Take off flaps.
Let's see if we can
Landing flaps.
slow her down even more. Just enough to keep her in the air.
Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, one more go around. And this plane takes no tools to assemble or disassemble. Absolutely none. And I love it for that reason.
30 seconds. Landing flaps.
No tools, no screws, no nothing.
20 seconds. Flaps up. Time expired.
So, you ever have a chance to get this one on sale, comes in blue and red, it is absolutely worth it. It is a fantastic plane. It's durable, it's fun, it's fast, slow, does it all at scale. It's just a joy to fly. And I think I paid $299 for this, but when it goes on sale you can get it for a little less. But it's a good plane. It's worth your attention if you're into civil aviation. So thanks for watching. I think I'm pretty much done for the day. We'll see. But appreciate y'all. Looking forward to holidays coming up. Hopefully I can, like I said in another video, I'm going to try to get every plane I own out to the field at one point or other over the course of a week or 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. A lot of batteries, a lot of charging, a lot of storage mode. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon.